Here's how to fix Instagram messages not sending. So, first, open your Instagram application on your device, log into your specific account. And if you have a professional account and you can't send messages, you need to make sure that your age is set to 18. If it is below 18, the reason why Instagram is preventing you from sending messages. So make sure that you have set the correct age on Instagram. And after that, you also need to make sure that your Instagram application is up to date. Open your Google Play Store and search for Instagram. If you see an update button instead of open, which is highlighted in blue color, go ahead and select it to update it to its latest and newest version available. After that, you need to open your settings app, scroll all the way down and go to applications. Then after, use the search bar and search for Instagram. Scroll down, click on storage, click on clear cache, and you can also try clearing the data, but this will remove all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. So you need to be very careful regarding that. Come back, try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. Also go to permissions and make sure that you've given all the permissions to the application. Then go to the mobile data section. Then after, go to battery and make sure that it's set to optimized or unrestricted and see if now the messages are sending on Instagram. If not, you can tap and hold onto the Instagram app, click on uninstall, and then select uninstall again to confirm. And once uninstalled, you can use the Google Play Store to install it again on your device and try sending a message. You can also try logging out of your account or log back in. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.